I've been in the cryptocurrency space since 2017, and I can tell you, I've dabbled with investing, I've done trading, and I've been using Bitsgap scalp trading bot for the last 6 months here in the year of 2020, and I'm getting around 15% per month profit straight into the account with next to no work. The one thing I really love about this Bitsgap bot is you can set and forget, and it's super easy for a beginner to intermediate to come on and understand. Of course, if you are more advanced in the way of technical analysis trading within cryptocurrency, that is gonna benefit you massively as well. I can honestly say I've actually been able to quit my 9 to 5, and I've actually been able to pretty much retire just solely on this bot, not even looking at my longer term crypto investments. I have a long-term position in BTC, Ethereum, and some other altcoins that I don't even touch. And then I've got a percentage of tokens that I actively trade on Bitsgap through Binance. So Bitsgap talks to Binance and performs the trade through an AI algorithm. If you are interested, at the end of this video, in signing up to Bitsgap, I will leave a referral link at the top of the description of this video. If you sign up to that link, you'll be supporting the channel, and most importantly, you'll be getting 2 weeks free of a premium trial with Bitsgap. If you do have Binance Exchange already, then that's the exchange that I do recommend that you attach. But if you don't, I'll also leave a link for Binance Exchange at the top of the description of this video as well. If you do enjoy this video today, then don't forget to drop me a like. It really does help me out with the YouTube algorithm, and more people will see the video, helping the growth of my business and channel. Subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and make sure you whack that little notification bell on so you do know when new videos do come out. Also, I've got a free Telegram group that will also be in the description of this video. You can jump in there. There are plenty of people in there that are actively talking and using the Bitsgap trading bot as well. And for those of you that are into leverage and futures trading, that is a new product, or I should say feature, that is now available on Bitsgap too. So I haven't actually started that myself, but I will be making some videos when I do that pretty soon. Let's head it on over to the bot. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so this is app.bitsgap.com/bot. Okay, so this is how the interface is looking. It's a really simple strategy. Okay, you've got the section where you do set up the bot over here. Now folks, for those of you that are wondering how long does it kind of take to set a bot up, I can literally set one up in about 10 seconds. Okay, we choose the strategy. All right, I usually do go for SBot. We choose our exchange, we choose our pair, we choose the minimum investment, we go for the max. The lower and the upper price you can change. I usually just leave them as they are already set in place. Grid levels, I usually go between 60 to 80. Okay, I always turn my trailing up function on, and depending on what sort of trade I'm doing, I may or I may not turn the stop loss on. Okay, so if I'm going for a highly volatile altcoin that's maybe new, doing some really good profits, but there's a high chance that it could sort of have a really big dump, all right, or maybe there's just not a lot of evidence to support that altcoin, that's probably where I turn the stop loss on. So let's have a look at the total current profit, guys. So this is the current profit of my active bots only. Okay, 13.46%, which is a total profit of $11,848 US. Okay, the investment that I've got on the bot at the moment is $88,052 USD. Okay, and this is not the paper version. Okay, a lot of people think that I'm showing you the paper version. I'm not, and I can prove that by showing you right up here. I'll click on this little person here. As you can see, right, demo is off. Okay, the demo's off, no cuts, no edits. Okay, for all those people that are wasting time with those comments, it's not a demo version. Okay, so let's scroll down and have a look. So I currently have 13 bots active at the moment. I'm pretty happy with how my bots are looking for the most part. We got a lot of green going on. Okay, top 3 performers at the moment are going to have to go to ZIL BTC, up 46% total investment change, Engine USDT up 56.23%. That is absolutely massive. And Reef USD with a nice 23.10%. Okay, all active. We had 50 grids for the Engine, 60 grids for the Reef, and 80 grids for the ZIL. Okay, if we have a look at some of the other bots, okay, my bot of the week, guys, it's going to go to SXP BTC. SXP has got some great volatility. Okay, it's only been open for 22 days. It's doing an average bot profit of 0.85% per day. You're not going to get that at your whole bank in a year, guys. You're not going to get that at your bank in a whole year. So as you can see, SXP, it's got some great volatility, but just a general uptrend against BTC. So what you want here, you can see the bottom of this green line and the top of this red line, you want as much volatility as you can as SXP against BTC is doing, all right, between those grids, okay, because that's where those profits are going to be coming from, okay. All the little red dots that you can see here, they are all the sell orders, or they're all the sells, I should say, and all little green dots here, they are all the buys, okay. So bot buys here, sells there, buys, 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 sell, buy, sell, buy. You get the point, right? So keep scrolling down. I want to talk to you a little bit about these negative ones you can see here and why I'm more than comfortable to hold on to these, okay? So look at the Chiliz BTC one first, CHZ BTC, 0.19 BTC, quite a bit of a BTC initial investment going on there. We are minus 5.6%. It's been running for 5 days and 22 hours. Now, I'm okay to leave this running, okay? This is in the negative because BTC has been performing well and Chiliz has been a bit slow to catch up, but I'm gonna show you why I'm feeling extremely bullish, and I'm kind of trading the news a little bit on this Chiliz BTC bot at the moment. Now, this was 20 hours ago, the making of this video. Chiliz and UFC, all right, Ultimate Fighting Championship, have announced plans to launch a UFC fan token. Minted on the Chiliz blockchain, UFC is scheduled for June launch and will provide owners with access to exclusive opportunities on socios.com. So there is literally going to be a UFC token launching, and Chiliz are going to be putting in the work to do that. That is so bullish, guys. Super bullish for Chiliz, okay? There is there is several millions, there's millions and millions of fans for UFC all around the globe, me being one of them, okay? And what I really like about this token, the UFC fan token, is there's going to be a simple utility, okay? People can buy into the token, they can get a nice little appreciation in investment, okay? And they can get kind of like premium access to, you know, some UFC stuff that's going on. And that's not the only partnership, guys. That's not the only partnership, okay? There's lots of other ones going on here, okay? We scroll up to the top of the page, right? Chiliz here with 318.6K followers, all right? And they've got some great partnerships here, guys. We've got Juventus, okay? We got UFC, as we saw before, okay? Barcelona SC. Chiliz, guys, are absolutely massive. And if we go over to the NFT coins here, number 2 in market cap, $2.7 billion market cap on Chiliz, down 2.6% over the last 7 days. Guys, I personally think Chiliz is a buy, okay? Number 2 in the overall market cap out of all the other NFT tokens. It is massive. So while we're here as well, we're gonna have a look at the next pair, which I have, which is actually down as well. It's Mana ETH. So as you would probably know, ETH has been on an absolute tangent lately and been outperforming a lot of these other altcoins, which means, unfortunately, if you've got ETH bots open with a lot of these other altcoins, you're probably realizing that that bot is underperforming because ETH has been doing so well. So I do have an ETH Mana bot. If we actually just quickly go back here and have a look at it now, down 2.03%, 1 month, 9 days. It's been running at 4.2 ETH investment there, minus 2% as we did see. Now, if we go back over here, I'm okay. I'm gonna hold that one without a stop loss because, again, Decentraland, okay? Mana is a ticker symbol for Decentraland, okay? The biggest and oldest and arguably the best metaverse in the NFT space, which is still so much in its infancy stages. And if you have any idea about sort of the leverage that, you know, metaverses are going to have with, you know, sort of new marketing, blockchain gaming, the list just goes on. Mana is right up there, number 4 out of those coins. We've got a $1.8 billion market cap, minus 8.5% over the 7 days. It's probably due for a bit of an appreciation in price from Mana, okay? So I'm stacking Mana big time outside of the bot, and that is why I'm more than happy to keep this Mana ETH bot open. And if we have a look at my third one here, minus 7.48%, 6 days, 22 hours, BNB. This is kind of like a conservative strategy, which I'm kind of just trying out, all right? I'm a massive fan on BNB. Obviously, I'm a massive fan on ETH, so why not have a BNB ETH conservative bot running? BNB ETH was actually only doing around 5% for the last month, okay? But I'm okay to take 5%, put a little bit in there. I only got 0.6 ETH, you know, sort of about half an ETH on there anyway, so, you know, I'm pretty okay to roll with that. Alrighty, folks, that is all I have for you today's episode of Bitsgap Education and Profits. Drop me a like on this video if you enjoyed the video today. Make sure you jump in the Telegram if you have any questions about this video. Feel free to pop a comment in the comment section below, and feel free to get in touch and ask some questions on Telegram as well. It's a great little community that we have got going on in there. If you are interested in trying Bitsgap, make sure you head on over to the description of my video at the top there. You'll be able to sign up for 2 weeks free premium trial. It's really nice, and there will be a link for Binance as well. You can sign up for that link, attach the 2. It's a really simple process, okay? Honestly, the whole process from start to finish, so long as after you've got a Binance account, after you set up your Bitsgap account, you're literally gonna be set up in about 5 to 10 minutes. It's super easy. You can start making that passive income and earning some nice capital on the remainder of this bull run, which I personally don't think is going to be over for at least 6 months, okay? We are still at the early stages of this bull run, in my opinion, okay? So from wherever you are watching from in the world, I do hope you have a blessed day and a most profitable one in the crypto space, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.